Gotta get that car wash. Gotta get that black car wash, boys and girls. Triple polish. Only the best for my baby. Gotta get that shine back. Get that seal wax. That's speed glaze. I pay for the super to get the car washed. I get it washed every other day because I take it out of my credit card. Get that tire shine. Can you people say tire shine, boys and girls? Oh yeah. When you got a black car, like a pearly black car, you got to keep it right. Okay? All gangsters have a pearly black car. Little or not, big or not. You ain't got a black car, you ain't driving. Little short video.